Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool foldable camping chair that is not any chair. This chair, as you can see, comes with a carry-on bag. It's super lightweight, but as you can see, it is super compact, but it actually supports 440 pounds. So that's actually a lot of weight, I want to say. Let's gonna actually put it out of the bag. We're gonna assemble, and you're gonna see how good this is. Really easy to assemble. Just need to make sure that I connect all of these kind of like pipes, I want to say, all these metal pieces with all the brackets right there. And once you have them all set, you're gonna see that you're gonna put kind of like the fabric, which is a really resistance fabric, I want to say. It's a quite a strong fabric. And then you finish with all this and you're pretty much done. I want to say pretty much done. So make sure to start right here from the top part in both sections, which is not gonna be super hard to do, but you need kind of like squeeze it a little bit. Not a struggle, by the way, but you need to squeeze it a little bit just to make sure that it makes contact with the top part over here. So you slide it in, nice and easy for both sides. Just a tiny bit of squeeze. And this one is in already. And the last piece of resistance, use these lassos for maximum strength, and that's pretty much it, all set. So as I was saying before, 440 pounds, really nice and foldable. Comes with a pillow right here as well that you can set to have maximum comfort. This is really nice, feels really nice. This is waterproof and a strong fabric that comes with mesh on the side, so if you're coming out of the pool or something like that and you're wet, you're not gonna have to worry because it's gonna drip on the outside. Also comes with pockets right here for 2 water bottles if you need, or tumblers, because those are quite big. And also right here with a mesh pocket for your devices, for like your tablet or your phone or things like that. Again, super easy to assemble, really lightweight to take with you on the go to places like camping, hiking, fishing, the beach or park, or just like friends and family. And it's really comfy, has a really nice position, I want to say, and structure, like metal strong structure that you can fold and unfold, and feels really nice. 440 pounds, super nice and easy to carry on with you. And this is super comfy for the summer days and taking a day out in the sun. Like it, I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.